Phenytoin is the drug belonging to hydantoin category. It is 5,5-diphenyl imidazolidine 2,4-diol. Now this is the most important drug as it is used in almost all forms of epilepsy except absence seizures. Also, it is the first anticonvulsant in which it was demonstrated that anticonvulsant activity could be separated from sedative hypnotic activity. Side effects include nausea, stomach pain, loss of appetite, poor coordination, increased hair growth, and one of the peculiar side effects is gingival hyperplasia, that is enlargement of the gums. Serious side effects include sleepiness, self-harm, liver problems, bone marrow suppression, low blood pressure, and toxic epidermal necrolysis. Toxic epidermal necrolysis is a life-threatening dermatological disorder characterized by erythema, necrosis, and exfoliation of the skin. Next drug is ethotoin. It is indicated for tonic-clonic and partial complex seizures. Oxazolidine diols. It is formed by replacement of NH group at position 1 of the hydantoin system with oxygen atom, which yields oxazolidine 2,4-diol system. You can compare the structure of hydantoins and oxazolidine diols. The difference lies at the position 1. That is, in hydantoins at position 1, you can see that there was NH group, while in oxazolidine diols, it has been replaced by oxygen. Drugs belonging to this category are trimethadione or troxidone, paramethadione, meloxicam, dimidone. Now, trimethadione, it was the first drug which was specifically used for treating absence seizures. Barbiturates and hydantoins cannot be used to treat absence seizures, or you can say petit mal seizures. But trimethadione, it was the first drug which was used for treating absence seizures. Its side effects include nephrosis, aplastic anemia, and bone marrow depression. One of the major drawbacks is if it is administered during pregnancy, it can lead to fetal trimethadione syndrome, that is, facial dysmorphism, cardiac defects, intrauterine growth restriction, and mental retardation in fetus. Facial dysmorphism includes short upturned nose and slanted eyebrows. Thus, this drug is to be avoided in the pregnant women. Next category is succinimides. Drugs belonging to this category are fensuximide, metsuximide, and ethosuximide. These drugs act by acting on the transient current in calcium channels for the influx of calcium ions, thus increasing the seizure threshold. Fensuximide, it is 1-methyl-3-phenyl pyrrolidine 2,5-diol. It is used in treatment of absence seizures, or you can say petit mal epilepsy. Now this drug contains phenyl group, so due to this phenyl group, it shows some activity against generalized tonic-clonic and partial seizures. Acetylurea derivatives or phenylacetylureas or urea class. The drugs are phenacimide and phenylethylacetylurea. Now phenacimide, also known as phenuron, it is the congener and ring-opened analog of phenytoin, which is a hydantoin. You can see this group CH2CONH2. In the hydantoin system, this group is in the cyclic form, that is in the ring form, whereas here it is in the form of the open chain. Thus, it is said to be ring-opened analog of phenytoin. It is used in psychomotor epilepsy. Next drug, carbamazepine. It is a urea derivative. It inhibits voltage-dependent sodium channels. It is a broad spectrum anti-seizure agent, but it is toxic. It is used to treat grand mal seizures and petit mal seizures. It is also useful in pain associated with trigeminal neuralgia. Trigeminal neuralgia is the condition in which trigeminal nerve of the face is affected. It is a chronic condition. Benzodiazepines. It includes nitrazepam and clonazepam. Clonazepam, it binds to GABA A receptors and thus increases the effect of inhibitory neurotransmitter GABA, that is gamma aminobutyric acid. We have seen that to decrease seizure activity, we have to keep the concentration of inhibitory neurotransmitters high in the nervous system. Hence, this drug binds to GABA receptor and increases the effect of chief inhibitory neurotransmitter, that is GABA. It is used to prevent and treat seizures, panic disorder and the movement disorder which is known as akathisia. Its side effects include sleepiness, poor coordination and agitation. Now, long-term use of this drug can result in tolerance, dependence and withdrawal symptoms if stopped abruptly. Now, if this drug is administered for longer time, the patient may become tolerant to this drug. That is, the drug will not show effect on the patient. Also, it may lead to withdrawal symptoms if it is stopped suddenly. By withdrawal symptoms, we mean that after stopping the medication, the patient may again suffer from seizures. Some of the other drugs are sodium valproate, primidone, gabapentin and felbamate. Sodium valproate or valproic acid. It is 2-propylpentanoic acid. It works by restoring the balance of certain natural substances in the brain. It is used to treat absence, partial and generalized seizures. Also, it is used to treat mental or mood conditions such as manic phase of bipolar disorder and to prevent migraine headaches. Both long and short-acting formulations of the tablet exist. Side effects include nausea, vomiting, sleepiness and dry mouth. Some of the serious side effects are liver problems. Therefore, if the patient is kept on this drug therapy, regular monitoring of the liver function is recommended. It may also lead to pancreatitis and an increased suicide risk. Pancreatitis, that is inflammation of pancreas. The drug is contraindicated in pregnancy as it can have effect on the fetus. Gabapentin. Now, as the name suggests, the molecular structure of this drug is similar to the neurotransmitter gamma aminobutyric acid, and it acts by inhibiting the calcium channels. It is used to treat partial seizures, neuropathic pain, hot flashes and restless leg syndrome. Its side effects include sleepiness and dizziness, and some of the serious side effects are patient may show aggressive behavior, it increases the risk of suicide, and drug reactions are possible. Felbamate. It is 3-carbamoyloxy-2-phenylpropyl carbamate. It is the positive modulator of GABA A receptor. Hence, it facilitates GABA neurotransmission. Also, it blocks NMDA receptor and hence blocks the binding of excitatory neurotransmitters. Its uses include treatment of partial seizures in adults. Also, it can be used to treat partial and generalized seizures associated with Lennox-Gastaut syndrome in the children. Lennox-Gastaut syndrome, it is the complex, rare and severe childhood onset epilepsy which is characterized by multiple and concurrent seizure types. It may also lead to cognitive dysfunction in the children. It is generally found in the age group of 3 to 5 years and it may also persist in adulthood. Side effects include increased risk of potentially fatal aplastic anemia and liver failure. So this limits the drug's usage. Now here you can see which drugs are used to treat which type of seizures. Now for simple partial seizure, first drug of choice is carbamazepine. It can be used alone or in combination. Second choice is phenytoin. Third choice is primidone, lamotrigine, oxcarbazepine or lacosamide. And fourth choice are gabapentin, zonisamide, ticagrelor, and levetiracetam. For complex partial seizures, first drug of choice is carbamazepine and lamotrigine, and second drug of choice is phenytoin. Choice 3 is phenobarbital, zonisamide, oxcarbazepine. And some other drugs which can be used are valproic acid, primidone, topiramate, ticagrelor, vigabatrin. For primary generalized seizure, first drug of choice is valproic acid, followed by carbamazepine, followed by phenytoin, and followed by phenobarbital. For tonic-clonic seizures, first drug of choice is lamotrigine, followed by valproic acid, followed by topiramate and ticagrelor. For absence seizures, first drug of choice is lamotrigine and ethosuximide, followed by zonisamide and valproic acid. For myoclonic atonic seizures, first drug of choice is valproic acid, followed by clonazepam, followed by zonisamide, followed by felbamate. Felbamate here can be used alone or in combination. For status epilepticus. Now status epilepticus is a condition in which there is continuous seizure which lasts more than 30 minutes or 2 or more seizures occur without full recovery of consciousness between the two of them. So it is a very emergency situation. First drug of choice is diazepam, followed by phenytoin, followed by phenobarbital. For psychomotor seizures, only one drug can be used, that is phenytoin. Lennox-Gastaut syndrome, as we have discussed earlier, it is found in the children of age group 3 to 5 years. First drug of choice is valproic acid and felbamate, followed by lamotrigine, topiramate, and rufinamide. Hence, these were the various drugs and their mechanism of action which can be used as anticonvulsant or you can say anti-epileptics. Thank you.